Hi, this is Windows 7 user and this is a quick video on how to speed up Windows XP. This will speed it up nearly at 1000%. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. The first thing you want to do is go to Start and Run. Type msconfig. Click OK. We're going to be disabling some startup programs. This will speed up your computer's startup speed a lot. You can unclick everything in here if you want, but if you want certain things to start right up, like I have my virus protection start up, and I have my firewall start up right away. Alright, whenever you're done, just hit OK and exit without restart. We still have a couple more things to do. Step 2 is pretty much common sense. Get good virus protection. Make sure it's something that you pay for. All the free stuff is really not good enough to cover you. Also remember, Windows Firewall is absolutely horrible, so use Zone Alarm right here. It's free. I'll post a link in the description. And then lastly, there's a program called Registry Mechanic by PC Tools. You can use any registry cleaner. This is just the one I happen to use. I like it a lot. And this program fixes errors and cleans your registry on your computer. It's a really good program. If you've never used it before, you'll find thousands of errors wrong with. The next step that I wanted to show you was how to optimize your display settings. This is more for slower, older computers, but it could help you anyway, so I just want to show you how to do it. And you'll go to Start, Control Panel. You'll click on the System icon and go to the Advanced tab, and Performance is right here. To optimize, you should only have the following ticked: showing shadows under menus, showing shadows under the mouse pointer, showing translucent rectangle, it's down here, use the drop shadows, and use visual styles, but I'm going to keep them all clicked in. I have a pretty quick system. Another thing in the Advanced tab, this is a completely different thing that I want to show you how to do, is your virtual memory. Your computer has the option to use an area of your hard disk as extra virtual RAM. The thing that you want to do is you want to get to a 1-to-1 ratio, set it to the maximum. If you have a slower computer, you might want to set it maybe a little bit lower, especially if you have a smaller hard drive. Basically, we just want to get the ratio the same. So just click OK for all of this. And this is really important. In Control Panel, just go to Tools, Folder Options, View, and unclick Automatically Search for Network Folders and Printers. That's really important. It'll speed up your file browsing a lot. You'll need to restart your computer for that one. The next step I wanted to show you how to do is how to disable some Windows components, particularly the indexing service. The indexing service is also what makes your hard drive make that humming noise it's terrible. It's right in here. Alright, here's your Windows components. Here's the indexing service. This is what you're going to want to unclick no matter what. And there's also the other stuff that's optional, like I don't use MSN Explorer or Outlook or Messenger. This is also what gets rid of those pesky little icons in the taskbar too. So whenever you're done, you'll just click next and it'll ask you to restart your computer. Also in here, delete any programs that you do not need. If you don't know if you need it or not, just do a Google search on it. It'll tell you what it is. Another way to remove programs in case you don't see it in there is if you go to My Computer and you go to the local C, you go to Program Files, here's every single program. Like for instance, here's LimeWire, and here's the uninstall file. This is the other way to uninstall. It could also be in the Start menu somewhere, right where the program is normally. I wanted to show you to go to Start, Accessories, and System Tools. The disk cleanup, this deletes all your temporary files, compresses old files, deletes stuff you don't need. When you open it, it's going to load up a bunch of stuff, click in every box, delete and compress everything. It'll save you gigabytes of space if you've never done it before. Do it about every 2 weeks. Disk defragmenter, maybe do it once every 2 months. It's like if there's a piece of information, a space, and a piece of information, it just closes the gap and makes your system more efficient. If your computer really ever gets messed up, you can use a system restore. I also want to show you how to manually delete temp files. Type %temp%, and here's your temp folder. Okay. Now what you'll do is you'll just drag and drop them into the recycling bin. The only way to truly get rid of all of these files is to restart your computer and throw them in the recycling bin. If this video helped you, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you for watching.